Welcome to our channel. My name is Yvette and this is Tyler. Come along with us as we sail the high seas or hit the open road while we navigate and explore this beautiful planet our way. Hi, welcome aboard Tootsie Marie. Last week you caught us as we just arrived back in Virginia with our new RV, Goldilocks. This week we're busy buttoning up the boat and getting her ready for our hurricane season haul out. As you can see, Tyler and I are working together to take down our head sail. This is the sped up version of our efforts to neatly fold and put away our head sail, which took a lot of communication and patience. You can see how we were able to zigzag fold our sail and it looks like a piece of ribbon. It turned out pretty good, nice and neat, and we were able to get it into a smaller bundle, which is perfect for storing over the next 4 months while we are off the boat. This here's the bad and the ugly. So we have almost 30 exterior cushions. The fabric is Sunco. We did have them redone, but you can see what life on the water can do. Some of these stains are just salt stains from being splashed by the salt water, and some of them are got a little mildew going on, which is always a battle here on a boat. But today's the day. We're gonna get these babies cleaned up, thoroughly dried, and ready to be stowed for hurricane season. And this is an honest look of what our boat looks like as we are going through cabinets and drawers, organizing everything that we're going to bring on the RV with us, and also things that we're going to keep on the boat. So there's kind of a lot of miniature piles happening and things being sorted as we get organized. One of the things you'll see that I'm doing here is pretty much washing every piece of fabric, clothing, or textile that I possibly can, making sure it is thoroughly dry and then stowing it away in a vacuum seal bag. Some of the other projects I'm working on, cleaning out and thoroughly drying out all of our refrigerators and freezers.
We're making a quick stop for gas to top up our tanks before heading over to the location to haul out. While we were sitting at the fuel dock, we had some flashbacks to our early days in St. Martin, where we used a team of dinghies to tow our boat to the boatyard. If you haven't seen the video, it's linked in the description below.
Okay, we're anchored out here of the boatyard where we are getting hauled out. We are basically staged and ready to go. So when the tide is right, we will go in and get hauled out of the water and let the games begin. This is a really cute little inlet here. You can see all the houses around me. They're very stately and big and on the water, lots of trees and gardens. Really lovely. We made it into the dock and they're gonna haul us out in the morning. This place is super quaint, really quiet, and I'm told we're out in the country, so it's really beautiful.
One of the benefits of being hauled out is they pressure wash your hull, which knocks all the barnacles off and cleans up the bottom.
And this is where the little dingo is gonna be. We'll put the cover on here in a little bit. I'm cleaning all of the ceilings and the walls and just getting everything packed away. We've got all of our linens and clothing that's staying on board vacuum sealed, shutting everything down, cleaning my way through the master bedroom. We've got these fans that they're solar generated from the hatches there. Tyler's installing them on all of the windows just to keep air circulation going. Since the boat will be buttoned up, I've got the refrigerator empty, got all the ice out. I already defrosted these two refrigerators, and then our deep freezer in the port bow bedroom has been de-iced as well. The name of the game is to not leave any moisture behind, but this is how we're looking. These plants are coming with, as well as these ones. And I've got my little pulley system here so I can drop items down and load into the RV. As for the port side, we are keeping most of the mattresses and the sunbed here. This is our head sail, which you saw us remove a few days ago. Got our fishing poles in the bathroom. And then all of our cushions that I've cleaned, they're really dry, piled in this room. So everything's coming along nice and empty. This is the final walkthrough. It feels really weird that we're going to be leaving Tootsie Marie. I have everything ready. I've got the washing machine opened up. I've got all of our refrigerators opened up. I want to ensure that everything can breathe and there's good air circulation.
After a few days of hard work, we have finally summarized the boat for hurricane season. We have tied down the mainsail, zipped up the bag, covered up all the winches and greased them, tidied up all of our lines, installed solar panels and fans, and the list goes on and on. We've been busy and it's been a lot of hard work, but it'll be well worth it because we'll be in a good place when we get back to the boat. We were the first boat out in their new expanded storage area, so we had a lot of room to ourselves, which was nice because we could pull up the motorhome alongside to load.
It doesn't seem right to leave our boat behind, but we're all packed up and ready to go. I found the perfect spot for these plants that I found in Grenada. They're called Mother of Thousands. I also used my trick that I use on the boat to use some heavy-duty double-sided tape to keep those plants in place. And of course, I found the perfect sunny spot for my special aloe vera plant and spider plant. It might be hard to imagine, but we're literally leaving our home. So we're just getting one last peek before we hit the open road. It's definitely bittersweet, but we're ready for RV season. Thanks for following. See you next Sunday.